it's always a long day when I have to draw stuff. So here I am drawing stuff. We've got a little rectangular boxy type thing, and we want to find out what CH is. So that's the line that's going across here. So CH, we're going to be using Pythagoras, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c squared would be ch squared. So that's this squared add this squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So this would be 12 squared plus 3 squared would equal ch squared. So this length from this to this. So that's going to be 144 plus 9, which is ch squared. That's going to be 153 equals ch squared. But if we square root both sides, you're going to get rid of the squared term here, and it's going to become 3 root 17, which is ch, or ch would equal 12.37 centimeters. So what's CE? So for CE, we have a triangle here, EH, so CE, EH, CH. So we can use this value. Now, in my opinion, if it's a calculator paper, don't use this value. Use your surd, because this is going to be more accurate than using this. So we're going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And in this instance, obviously, CE is going to be our c squared. This CH is going to be the bottom. So we're going to have 3 root 17 all squared plus 4 squared, which is our EH, which equals CE all squared. So this is going to happen to equal 169 equals CE squared. So therefore, CE, once you square root both sides, is going to be 13 centimeters. How convenient.